I think a lot of people have questions now about AI and security. In fact, depending on your industry, there are a lot of regulatory concerns. And when you're dealing with email, now we're talking about sensitive data, private data, etc. I can imagine, especially public sector organizations don't want to run everything via the cloud. So how does this fit in?
It works wherever you want to deploy it. So we can be cloud, we can be on-premise, we can be hybrid. So data is your data and it's analyzed within your own infrastructure. We're not sending it back to Darktrace's HQ for analysis. The processing happens at the place of deployment. In terms of policies, absolutely, we respect and we also allow the safeguards and allow the customers to choose how to implement things. A classic example is, am I allowed to look at emails of my coworkers? Well, this isn't a Darktrace question, this is a policy question about how you're set up and what's your interpretation of who has that privileged access to keep it secure, etc. Darktrace doesn't look at the emails when we're doing the analysis, the AI does that. But even during a POV, we only are seeing the metadata and threats associated, but not the contents of the emails themselves. Part of what Darktrace's advantage is in visibility. So apart from the autonomous response, apart from the automatic investigations, the key tenet is if you can't see it, then you can't do anything about it. And from the moment that you're allowing the AI to get visibility and to be exposing your data and to be understanding that data, what means is that you also have a new way of looking at that goes beyond those logs. And it really, I almost wanted, I'm sorry we don't have time for a demo here, but the interface also, it's 3D, it shows things in context of each other. It's really magnificent.